Part 3 of the carpet upholstery for the Ford Ranger 3.0 V6 4-wheel drive manual transmission. Alright, so this is what I got going on here. I see a lot of dirt and grease and God knows what after 23 years. So I just wanted to do a little demonstration. This is what it looks like when you're lifting the dirt out. Goes on like so, and it lifts off. If you look at my video 1 of what this looked like overall, you'll know that a little bit of effort, this process here will take about probably 15 minutes from start to finish to get all this dirt out using my steam vac. So I just wanted to show that it can work. It can definitely work. You'll see the final product. I'll do an overview of the whole truck interior when done. Use video 1 for reference. The Ford Ranger Part 1 series. You'll see that at least look better than they did before. Alrighty. And I'll take a quick look out the back. Started doing the back side a little bit. These are the seats. Clean out a little bit. So again, you guys can do it with a little bit of work, a little bit of effort. Dedicated for you.